Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Mathsphere 360 and today we will discuss about associative property of integer. Before starting the topic, we should understand कि what is associative property, what it says. So associative property says कि if we are having more than two integers and we have to multiply the same operation among the three. हमारे पास थ्री इंटीजर्स हैं और हमें एक ही सेम ऑपरेशन को उस सारों में लगाना है, तीनों में ही ऑपरेट करवाना है. तो इस सिचुएशन में विच टू इंटीजर्स वी विल टेक फर्स्ट, इट डजंट इफेक्ट ऑन द रिजल्ट. अगर ऐसा है तो द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी विल बी एप्लीकेबल ओवर देयर. मतलब क्या कि हमारे पास थ्री इंटीजर्स हैं और हमें किन दो इंटीजर्स में पहले ऑपरेशन को ऑपरेट कराना है, ये हमारे रिज़ल्ट पर इफ़ेक्ट ना करे तो हम बोलते हैं क्या कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी एप्लीकेबल है ओवर दैट ऑपरेशन. या हियर आई हैव मेक द स्टार. स्टार मीन्स कि इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव, इट कैन बी नेगेटिव, इट कैन बी मल्टीप्लाई, इट कैन बी डिविजन ऑल्सो. कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल कि क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि हम a प्लस बी प्लस सी, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी में a प्लस बी को पहले ऑपरेट कर दें, बाद में टू द रिज़ल्ट हम c को ऐड करें. तो या फिर दूसरी सिचुएशन क्या, a प्लस बी प्लस सी हम पहले b और c को ऐड कर लें, टू द रिज़ल्ट हम a को ऐड करें. तो क्या हमारे रिज़ल्ट पर कोई इफ़ेक्ट होगा? अगर इफ़ेक्ट होगा देन वी विल से कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. अगर इन दोनों ही केसेस में हमारा रिज़ल्ट सेम आ रहा है देन वी विल से व्हाट कि वी आर हैविंग एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज़ एप्लीकेबल ओवर एडिशन. सेम थिंग वी विल डू for multiplication, for subtraction, for division also, and we will find out whether the associative property is applicable or not. So let's get started. Move to association. For addition, so for addition, to prove that कि if they to check, in fact not prove कि if it is applicable or not, we have an integers for each values. A, the value of A is -4, B is +5 and C is -2. So we put the answer first, we put the values in this section A plus B plus C, where A plus B is operated first. So value of A is -4, value of B is +5 and value of C is -2. So we are adding -4 plus 5, different sign, that means we have the difference of 4 and 5, that is 1. 5 is greater number and its sign is positive, so the answer is positive. Now plus minus, plus is outside the bracket, so number inside the bracket should not change their sign, that means it will remain negative. So 1 minus 2, here again the difference of sign is there, that means we have to find the difference of 1 and 2 is 1 and 2 is greater 1, that means the answer will be negative. See this, negative. Okay, now move to A plus B plus C, where we are operating B plus C first. So -4 plus 5 -2, and again this plus minus will become negative. 5 minus 2, the different sign, we will find the difference is 3, and the sign, the greater one is 5 and sign of 5 is plus. So plus 3, -4 plus 3, again we are having different sign means difference, the difference of 4 and 3 is 1. 4 is greater 1, so the sign will be negative. So here what we have seen, A plus B plus C is -1 and A plus B plus C again is -1, whether we are operating A plus B first or B plus C first, that means कि what is that, associative property is applicable over addition. Now move to subtraction. For subtraction, again we are having the same value. A is -4, B is 5 and C is -2. Here we are operating in this section. We have subtracted B from A, then from the result we are subtracting C. In this section we are subtracting C from B and to the result we are subtracting A. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम A से B को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं और जो रिजल्ट आएगा उससे यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं, C को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, और यहाँ पर क्या B से C को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं और रिजल्ट जो फाइंड आउट हो जो रिजल्ट है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे A से. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू दिस सेक्शन taking the value A is -4, B is 5 and C is -2. So A minus B minus C. A is -4 minus B 5 minus C. C is negative. So see here, this both are negative. So sign is same. We will add 5 plus 4 9 and the answer will be negative. Minus plus. So -9 plus 2. Here again the sign are different. That means we have to find the difference. Difference between 9 and 2 is 7. 9 is greater one and that is negative. So the answer is also negative. Now move to next part where we will operate B minus C first. So -4 minus B, 5 is positive, minus C. So again this plus minus will become, this minus become plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Before bracket there is negative sign. That means the 7 become negative. -4 minus 7. Same sign. We will add them. After addition 11 comes and the sign will be negative. So what we are saying, when we are operating A minus B first, so answer became -7. And when we are operating B minus C first, then answer is -11. That means what? A minus B minus C is not equals to A minus B minus C when we are operating A minus B first, and when we are operating B minus C first. That means what? Associative property is not applicable over subtraction. Now move to multiplication. For multiplication, A cross B cross C when we are operating A cross B first, and A cross B cross C when we are operating B cross C first. So let A is equals to -4, B is equals to 5 and C is equals to -2. So first of all we are operating this section where we are multiplying A into B plus first. -4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20 and side are different. That means the answer will be negative. Again 20 into 2 40 and both are negative. That means the result will be positive. So A cross B cross C when we are operating A cross B first, the answer is 40. Now see what happens when we are operating A cross B cross C. When B cross C first, the answer comes -4. 5 into 2, different sign. The multiplication would be the 5 into 2 10 and the because plus into minus, so the answer will be negative. So -10 into -4, so multiplication will happen 4 into 10 40 and both are negative, minus plus, so plus 40. So whether we are operating A cross B first or we are operating B cross C first, in both the situation the answer comes 40, means the same. That means it doesn't affect whether we are multiplying first two numbers first or last two number first, the answer is same. That means we can say that associative property is applicable over multiplication. Now move to next for division. Here again we are having A divided by B divided by C, where first we will divide A by B. A divided by B divided by C. Here we will divide B by C first. Thus values are same. A is -4, B is 5 and C is -2. So let's see the left hand side. That means ki where we are dividing A by B first, we have taken that. Now see, -4 divided by 5, that means -4 upon 5 divided by -2. So when we are dividing, what we take, we will multiply its inverse. So -2, 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. In this situation what happens, 4 into 1 and that will be negative, and 5 into 2, 10. This will become again negative, but the negative is positive. That's why it is 4 upon 10. Now see next part where we are dividing B by C first. So -4 divided by 5 divided by -2. That means कि 5 upon -2. Again we have to divide this 4 by 4 divided by 5 by -2. That means its reciprocal will be -2 upon 5. When we are when we are dividing any number by any number, that means we have to multiply by its रेसिप्रोकल. जब भी हम किसी गिवन नंबर को किसी गिवन नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो बेसिकली हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं, इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, डिवीजन कन्वर्ट्स इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड द नंबर कन्वर्ट्स इनटू इट्स रेसिप्रोकल. डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और नंबर को इसके रेसिप्रोकल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो वी हैव डन द सेम थिंग. डिवीजन इज कन्वर्टेड हियर टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड इट्स रेसिप्रोकल 5 upon -2. So 5 reciprocal of 5 upon -2 is -2 upon 5. Actually bracket should be there. So -4 -2, 4 2s are 8 and this 8 will be positive, 8 upon 5. Okay, so what the answer is, 4 upon 10 and this is not 10, this will be 8 upon 5. So these are not basically equal. So A divided by B divided by C is not equals to A divided by B divided by C, where we are dividing B by C first, है ना. तो बेसिकली जब हम सम अप करें तो हम क्या देखेंगे कि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज एप्लीकेबल over addition and multiplication, but it is not applicable over subtraction and division. हम किसी सीक्वेंस को ना इफ़ेक्ट करे ऐसा केवल और केवल एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होता है. डिवीजन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में ऐसा नहीं होता. वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट्स सीक्वेंस इन डिवीजन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट या डिवाइड कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें इसके सीक्वेंस पर ध्यान देना होगा, वरना हमारा आंसर डिफ़र करेगा, आंसर रॉन्ग हो सकता है. बट एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम किसी भी सीक्वेंस को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, हमारे आंसर पर इफ़ेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. यही है हमारा associative property that is applicable. Again I will say that is applicable over addition and multiplication, but not applicable over subtraction and division. subtraction और division पर ये applicable नहीं होता है. So thank you, that's all for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel if you find it helpful. Thank you.